All right, what's up, guys? Okay, happy Monday. We got a big week this week in for crypto in general, for the markets, I guess, as a whole. But before we get into that, please like and subscribe to the channel. I give trading plans out pretty often for free, and they turn out pretty well almost every time. We haven't been really, we're not wrong too often. We're an analyst. We do this every day, all day. We try to do this right. So remember, I have a free copy trade service. You follow it automatically. Any trade I take on it. So I'll leave that link in the description. You get up to $4,200 on your first deposit of USDT. So, all right. What's up, guys? Okay, so our trade over the weekend played pretty nicely, didn't it? So the circled area, this consolidation, was our invalidation on our short in this area back to 19K. And I'll tell you why. So this is a pivot area. It's pretty obvious. You can break it down to 45. I like the 45 the most. But it's a pivot area. We're barely ever above this area too often. And when we get back to it, we tag 19K. Every time. And so no reason to not do it again. First off, so we're barely above this for just a hair. Just pivoted right above it like we wanted to in the last video for the push. So we did, the last video played out perfectly, beautiful. And so this last trade did too. So here we are. That was an invalidation, pretty good. So here we are at 19K. It's forming, trying to do a little double bottom here. It won't confirm until it's back above this area here, but we're not worried about that at this moment. See, on the 45, I was thinking they were going to wick through this area completely. That's my only downfall on longing it right now, because I thought they would take that wick. I really did. I thought they would go through that area completely and then get bought back up, but that may not be the case. We did tag. We closed our trade and everything, just trying to see what PA develops. But here we are. So 45-minute looks nice. Not nothing bad about it. Getting back up there would just be another deviation below. And if it can actually get back and pivot above here, just like this area, I'd long it, and I'd actually put my stop loss below this little block here. This little 45-minute here. It's pretty nice, you see. I'd invalidate myself probably instead of having a hard stop. There's a lot of news in crypto this week, so we're going to play it pretty safe. This is CPI. This is Powell talking about stable coins. There's always something, every time that stuff happens, anything like that, you can expect some shit. So we're going to play it safe. We're going to see if we can get a squeeze up to this area. I'm thinking 21.35 may cut us off, or 20.75. Or that was our big drop-off point of last video that we talked about being the drop-off point. So that may be it as too. But if we can reclaim this, if we can get up into this area, we'll probably wick that 21 again. But that's what I'm looking at. There's no other things. We can look at the SPX real quick. Look at this breakdown. This is really what I like the most, is this breakdown here. So you see we closed at the 4-hour now, and pretty good sell volume. There was no, pretty good sell volume, barely any buy volume, back up to resistance and just nuked it. But it did keep this little spot here, and I like that. I do like that. But let's go back to, I do like this breakdown. If we can get back above it, filling up some of that liquidity till 37.30 may be the case. So we'll just keep an eye on that, and we'll look at these. I'll show you what levels. It's actually pretty strong right now. So this morning on the breakout, got a little rising wedge breakout and then made it resistance, and it is still acting as resistance as we speak. So that's what I'm continuing, I'm thinking it's going to be. I expect tonight will just range and come down, tag, and we'll see something tomorrow before making new lows. I doubt, they've knocked on this level. They've knocked on this level a couple times now, and 3 times, and they don't take it. It's pretty odd to me. So, I expect some chop, maybe just for a couple days, and just maybe Friday we just take the final plunge. It would make sense to me. But anyways, guys, that's what I'm looking at. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good day.